This video walks you through the steps I took to set up a wireless connection between my new HP LaserJet M209dw printer and my Windows 11 laptop. First, the HP Smart app was already installed on my computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from 123.hp.com. I'll show you how to install the app later in this video. To begin the wireless setup, press and hold the information button on the printer for about 3 seconds, then release it. You'll see all the control panel buttons light up. Next, press and hold both the wireless button and the cancel button at the same time. The printer will restart, the status light will start pulsing purple, and the wireless button will begin blinking blue. This means the printer is now in wireless setup mode. At this point, open the HP Smart app and click on Add/Setup Printer to continue the connection process. Before we watch this process, let's have a look at what was just explained with reference to the buttons pushing sequence. Right about now, the status light turns purple, but my camera is barely able to capture the color change. In real life, you will see a purple status light. Of course, the wireless light blinks as well. Now, let's get back to adding the printer by pressing the Add/Setup Printer button on the HP Smart app. From now until the 5-minute and 30-second mark in the video, you'll see each step the HP Smart app takes to connect the printer to your wireless network. To help move things along more quickly, I've increased the playback speed during this portion. Now, as promised earlier in the video, here is the steps to take to download the HP Smart app to your Windows 11 computer.